Alright, YouTube. Back in here getting a little work done. Gotta get some tires. Oh, one. So we're just getting the tire mounted and balanced. And it's raining like a fool out here today. But it's all good. Work still got to happen. The tire shop just chilling. Well, I ain't chilling. I gotta spend money now. Broke the bead. Now, I'm gonna see if I can figure out where we had our problem there. Could have just went low. But I did see something in the tree earlier, yeah, right there. Whatever it is, pretty deep. Yep, I feel it on the other side. Felt like a razor, so we're gonna get this replaced, get the new one mounted and balanced, and we'll be back on the road again. That's all it took to cause that much damage. Alright, so now we're getting it all mounted up and balanced because we've already agreed this wouldn't even be worth fixing because look at the wear on the tire. And plus it's raining too. So now we're just gonna get everything put back together. I know I need to change the TPMSs too. Oh. Now I need a towel on my head. How much y'all charge to change the TPMS? Oh yeah, it's louder in person. We got one more side left over there to pop. And there we go. And there it is on the bottom. I had to come back and get some more tires. So now that's going on, and now it's just the balancing, and we'll be ready to go. So that one's pretty much up. Y'all can't see it, but it's in there. Now I'm gonna put the balance machine to work. You always need your tires balanced, because if not, you're gonna have a bad ride. It's gonna shake you out of the car. So if you look at that machine, it tells you where the weight needs to be added. Pretty cool. old school, a little bit different. But these are a little bit more sophisticated in so many ways. The old school ones are cool if you're on a budget, but the new ones are way easier. Balance it on both sides and pretty much tell you where to put the weights at. I like that. Got that on there. I'm gonna rotate them around and tell them where to put it at. 1 ounce goes at the top. .25. Solid balance. On the tire equipment. I used these years ago. Just like it, it's done. So now it's gonna go check for leaks. Alright, I don't see no bubbles on this side, which means it's sealed. Bubbles. Got this ready. Go back in the truck. Now I gotta go back and finish up a job. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and always remember, if you broke it, I can fix it. Peace.